and from here, yep, this is our about page. Now click on edit, then from top click on edit with Elementor. Now just have a look how quickly we can create our banner area just by reusing the home page's banner area. So to reuse any other template that we already have created on the other page, just click on this folder icon. Now go under my templates. You see here we can see the 4 areas we have just saved. So at the top I wanna import the banner area. So from here just click on insert, and here I'm clicking on apply, and here you go. Now here instead of this heading I just wanted to say about us. Then instead of this paragraph I'm just pasting some text, and here I think we can add some space at the left and right so it would look proper aligned. To do it, just click on the 6 dots, go under advanced tab. From here I'm unlinking the padding, so only at the left and right I'm adding 120 pixel of padding. Right now it looks more organized. And here this button I wanted to say meet our awesome team, and actually I just wanna link it with the next section because here I will be creating our team members area. I will show you shortly how you can link anything with the other portion of the same page. So here I'm just removing the contact pages link. For now I'm just putting here hash. I will show you shortly how it works. Okay, so let's now scroll down because here I want to create our team members area. And you are already familiar with Flexbox, you know how the rows work, how the columns work, why we should take wrap. So now you have all those basic ideas. So now I will be creating everything a bit faster. Alright, now to take a new container, just click on this plus icon, and I'm taking this row directed container. And first from here I'm making the justify content to space between. Then here I'm making it to wrap, so the child elements would be wrapped with their own width. And also let's add some padding here, so go under advanced tab, unlink the padding. Okay, first we can just link it, and let's add 60 pixel all around this container. Now unlink it, only at the top I'm adding 100 pixel of padding. Now within this container, click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging a child container. I'm making its content width to full width, and here I'm making its width in percentage. It's 23%. Also I don't want any gap here, so from items I'm making the elements gap to 0. And with this child container I also wanna add some space at the bottom, so that will make it separate from the below child container. So just to go under advanced tab, from here I'm unlinking the margin. I'm adding only margin bottom, that's 30 pixel. Alright, now within this container I just wanna take an image. So click on Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm dragging this image widget here. Let's now select the team members image, go to upload files, click on select files. Actually I wanna use all of these images, so I'm selecting all of them together. Let's select them all, and now I'm clicking on open. Now for the first team member I'm selecting this image, then click on insert media. Now let's do some styling with this image, so go under the style tab. First of all I'm making its width to 100%. Let's give it a height, so I'm making it something like 300, or let's make it 330 pixel. And you know, from here object fit I'm making it to covered. Then right after this image, within this container actually I want to take another container. Okay, so let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and from here I'm dragging this container just after this image here. So actually this container's parent is this container. You see this blue line is covering this container as well. Also, to make you triple sure, you can just right click here and open the navigator. So here you see this is the main parent container, this one. Within that, here we have got our image, and then here is another container. Alright, now let's select this inner container. I also wanna make its gap to 0, so from items let's make the gap to 0, and then go under style tab. I wanna give it a dark type background color, so from here background type, let's select the color picker. From here I'm putting the color code, that's hash 00173A. And also I just wanna add a bit transparency, so I'm dragging this bottom bar to a bit left like this. Now I just wanna push it to the top. So basically I want it to be appear at the bottom place of this image. So to do it, we can just go under advanced tab. From here, first I'm unlinking the margin, and here we need to add some negative margin at the top. Now here I'm adding, for example, 100 negative margin, or we can just make it more pixel perfect, that's 97. Actually you can understand it properly if I minimize it. So actually we cannot see the black area right now because there is no content inside of that black container. So just open it, and now I wanna add some content within this black or bluish area. But here I also wanna add some padding within this container. So from here, let's add padding. I'm adding 25 pixel. It's actually too much. Okay, on the left and right, instead of 25, I'm making it 15, and on the left also 15. Okay, actually we can make it pixel perfect later, but first here I want to add some element. So click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging an heading widget here. Oops, let's just drag this heading widget inside here. And here I'm writing the team member's name, that's Dan Dino. Let's make its alignment to centered. Go under style tab. From here I'm making the color to white, and you already are familiar with this. So from typography I'm changing the font family to Fida Sans Condensed, this one. Let's make the font size to 22 pixel, and weight I'm making it 700. Then let's just duplicate this heading, and here instead of Dan Dino I wanted to say EY. Okay, I'm just writing here lead designer. Now go under style tab. From here I'm just reducing its font size to 14 pixel, and font weight let's make it 400. So here if we now minimize the bar from left, we can see it's looking really nice. Alright, now underneath this black area, actually I wanna have some floating social icons. So to do it, just right after this container, not within this container, right after this container, I wanna add social media widget. So from here, click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and I'm searching for social media. Here we go. Just drag it after this black container here. Only to make you double sure, from the navigator have a look. If I now minimize this container, you see it's outside of the container here, and within this container here we have only got this heading that says Dandino. Then here is another heading that says lead designer. Okay, so let's now start working with these social icons. And here by default we can see the Facebook, Twitter and YouTube icon. Let's say if you wanna use any other social media icons, then from here you can just click on add items, then click over this icon. Then if you want to add any other social handles, for example your WhatsApp, Viber or Snapchat or any other social handles, for example here I'm adding Instagram, then click on insert. So here you see the Instagram handle has been added here, and to put your Instagram handle link, you just need to put your Instagram handle link within this link field. Same with the Facebook, just click on the Facebook, you need to put your Facebook profile or pages link here. You just need to open Twitter as well, and from here you can add your Twitter handle, you can add your YouTube channels link here like this. Also, if you don't want any of these social handles, let's say I don't want Instagram at this moment, so click on this X to delete it. Now first of all, the shape is by default rounded, but I wanna make this square. Now I wanna do a bit of styling with these social icons, so just go under style tab. From here you see these colors are basically their official color, but instead of this official color I'm selecting the custom color. Now from here the primary color I'm making it white, and then the secondary color, that's basically the tiny icons, I wanna make its color kinda grayish color, or I can just write here 999 999. Alright, now if you wanna increase or decrease its size, you can do it from here. So you can increase or decrease the sizes of the icons, but I just wanna make it 15. Then you can increase or decrease the spacing from here, so I'm making it 15. Now if you want, you can add border from here, so I'm adding border type to solid and border width here 1 pixel. Then from here border color, I'm making it just hash 222222, and also I wanna reduce its transparency, so I'm dragging this bottom bar to the very left like this. Alright, and actually now I want to have these icons more closer, so from here the spacing I'm just making it to 0. Alright, now let's see if you want to add some hover effect with these icons. You can just open the icon hover from here. Only to give you example, on hover I'm making the secondary color to our global dark blue color. So if I now hover over here, you see the icons are becoming the dark blue color. Now I just wanna adjust its position. Like I said, I wanna make it look like floating, so I will be pushing it a bit top here. So to do it, you already guessed it right, just go under advanced tab, from here unlink the margin, and here I'm adding some negative margin, probably negative 14 or negative 15 is looking great. Alright, so far this card looks great. Now I just wanna duplicate it, so make sure you have selected the main parent container of all of these. So I'm selecting this container. Just have a look from navigator. If I minimize this container, all these are going inside this parent container. That means this is the wrapper of all of these elements. Okay, so make sure you have selected this container. Now just duplicate it one more time. Actually I want to duplicate it more like this. So in total there are 8 containers duplicated. Now we can close the navigator from here, and you know, it's super easy to change the images, the titles, the subtitles. So from here I'm just showing you one example. Just click over there. To change this image, click over this image, and you remember I have uploaded all these images. So from here I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. Here to change his name, I'm just typing his name here, that's Lex Deville, and then his role, just click over this text, his brand manager. So here I'm typing brand manager. So in the same way, I just wanna change all these images, all the names, all the titles. So I'm doing everything very quickly and I'm coming back to you. Alright, so I have changed all their images, their name, their title, everything. Now I wanna create our next container. So just scroll down, from here click on this plus icon. This time I wanna take this row directed container, and first just go within its items. From here I'm making the justify content to centered. Also I wanna make the elements gap to 60 pixel. I'm explaining why I'm taking here 60 pixel, just wait for it. And you know, I just wanna add some spacing all around this container. To do it, go under advanced tab, from here unlink the padding. Actually we don't need to unlink it because we wanna add 60 pixel all around this container here. Now here with this container I wanna add a background image. Go under style tab, from here let's select the background image. I'm selecting this image, click on insert media, and you know, I'm making the position to center and size to cover. Now I also wanna add some background overlay from here. So let's open the background type to classic, and here I'm adding the background color, that's hash 00001D. It's kinda dark blue color, and then I'm making from background overlay, then I'm making its opacity really darker, so it's 0.85. Actually you can barely see the background image. I just wanted to make it an abstract kind of background. Alright, now within this container, click on this plus icon. Here I'm searching for counter widget, so here we go. This is the counter. Let's just drag it inside here. Okay, now first let me explain how it works. Here's the starting number. So if I set it to, let's say 40, and the ending number if I set it to 500, then you see the counter is animating from 40 to 500, but I don't want this starting number, so by default it's 0. and here ending number I'm setting it to 10. Now if you wanna add anything before this 10, then you can add prefix. For example, I'm adding here KL, just a random word KL, but I don't want this prefix. Just after this 10 I want a suffix that would be K, so it would look like 10K. Then instead of cool number I just wanted to say project completed or complete projects, so here I'm writing complete projects. Complete projects. Also you can control the animation duration, like by default it's 2 seconds, but if you want you can change it from here. Alright, now let's do some styling with it. Just go under the style tab. From here first I wanna change the text color to white color. Then from typography, of course I wanna change it to our favorite Fida Sans Condensed font. Then I'm making the font size to 50 pixel, and here I'm making font weight to 700. Now let's design the title. Open it. I also wanna make its color to white color. The font size is perfect, but I just wanna reduce its line height. So from here typography, let's set it in EM, and I'm making it 1.4 EM. And you know what, instead of this 10K, actually I wanted to say 10K plus. So to do it, just go to content, and here the ending number I wanted to say 10K. Then the suffix number, the ending number would be just 10 because you cannot write K here. This is only input field for text. This is only input field for numbers, so I'm just writing here 10, and here the suffix I'm writing here K plus. So right now it says 10K plus complete projects. Alright, now I just wanna duplicate this counter couple more times, so let's duplicate it. Now I'm duplicating it one more time. Let's duplicate it one last time. And if I now select this main container, now go under its layout. Now I wanted to tell you why I have taken the elements gap to 60, because if I take it to 20, you see their space in between is decreasing and it looks super busy. So if I take it 120, it's too much space. That's why let's keep it in middle. I'm just writing here 60 pixel of elements gap. Now we can just easily change these numbers, like here instead of 10K plus I wanted to say 850, and here instead of K plus I just wanted to say plus, so 850 plus, maybe client reviews, so here I'm writing client reviews. Now the third one I just wanted to say 15 plus, so here 15, then the suffix plus, and here title I wanted to say winning awards. Then the last one I just wanted to say 2K plus, here the title free, not double space, it's free resources. Perfect. So if I go back to the banner, actually we can change this background image because we have used this banner background image on our home page. So to change it, just click on the 6 dots, go under the style tab. From here, let's now replace this image with any other image. Just go under upload files. From here, click on select files. So for the about page, I'm selecting this image. Click on open. Now let's insert it. It looks much better. Alright, let's now scroll down. Here we have got our beautiful team member area, and then underneath here we have some features. Not features, these are actually some facts about our team. And then underneath, of course, I wanna show off our great testimonials that our clients have given us. And you know, we already have saved them as a template. So to import the template, just click on this folder icon, go under templates. From here, to import the testimonials, here is our testimonials area. Just click on this green insert button, click on apply, and here we go. We have got our testimonials area. It's actually loading again, and yep, here underneath we can see all the reviews or testimonials properly. Cool. Now we just need to check this page's responsiveness, but before that I wanna add some animations with these team members. So to do it, just select this container. From here, go under advanced tab. From here, let's open the motion effects. from the entrance animation, I just wanna use the simple fade in, but here I wanna add some delay. So for the first one, I'm adding 500 ms of delay, that's basically half second, and gradually I wanna increase the delay to 100 ms. So the second one's delay would be 600, the third one's delay would be 700, like that. So when on the first page load, I mean when anyone visits this page for the first time and they scroll down to this area, they can see the images serially popping like this from left to the right side. Okay, so I just wanna make it really quickly. From here with the second one, go under advanced tab, from here motion effects, from the entrance animation I'm making it fade in again, and here instead of 500 I'm making it 600. And you already understand the process, so I just wanna first forward this process. Alright, now we just need to check the responsiveness of this page. So to check its responsiveness, from here we can click on responsive mode. Now go to tablet device. Let's start from the top. It's already looking great because we have taken it from our home page. Now let's scroll down. We need to work with these a little because these are looking so much narrower, right? So we need to increase their width. Just select this container, go under its layout. From here, only for the tablet device, let's make it in percentage, and for the tablet I'm making its width to 30%. I wanna do the same with all of these containers, so I'm just right clicking here on the first container, click on copy, and with the second one right click and then paste style. Let's do the same with this one as well, paste style. Also with other, right click and paste style. Same with this one, also same with this one, paste style. Actually we have two more, so here right click and click on paste style, also right click here and click on paste style. But here, as we have selected its parent containers justify content to justify in between, that's why they are going to left and right. But on the tablet device I just wanna change their appearance. So to do it, first let's select this parent container, go under its layout, open the items. Only for the tablet device I'm making the justify content to centered. So you see on the tablet device they are now justified to centered, but on the desktop device they are justified to space between. Alright, we now just need to check it from mobile device, so click on mobile device. From here, like the home page, we can keep the top and bottom padding, but we need to reduce the left and right padding. So just select this container, from under its advanced tab let's unlink the padding. Here top and bottom I'm keeping 60 pixel, and on the left and right I'm adding 30 pixel of padding. So it's looking great on mobile device, all the team members. Then here underneath, let's scroll down, this area everything is looking organized. Also here we have got our beautiful testimonial area. We don't need to make it responsive again because we have made it responsive on the home page, then we have saved it as a template. That's why we don't need to do any work with this. Let's now close the responsive bar from top, and to save our work click on this green update button. By the way, I forgot to tell you about another thing. Like I wanted to show you, if you click on this Meet Our Awesome Team button, that will take us to the immediate next section or to any other section. So to create that type of a jump button, all you need to do, first you need to select the container where you want to be scrolled down from this button. So first of all, let's select this container, go under its advanced tab. From here you see there is a field, it says CSS ID. So I wanna give it a ID name, just a random ID name. I'm giving here team dash section. Now I'm just copying this CSS ID from here. Now let's select this button. Within this link, after the hashtag, I'm just pasting the CSS ID, that's team section. Now have a look from top. If I now click on this button, that jumps us to our team members area. So basically this is how it works. Again, click on the green update button to save our work. We can now move to our next page, that would be our services page. So first we can go back to our WordPress dashboard from here. Again, go to all pages.